Okay, we come to exercise 3.3. In question number 1, in which quadrant or on which axis do the following points are given lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. We learn already the first quadrant plus comma plus, both are positive. In the second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. The third quadrant, both are negative. So x is negative and y also become negative. In the fourth quadrant, where is x is positive, y become negative. Okay. So from here you can be able to say that minus 2 comma 4 negative comma positive. Minus 2 comma 4 is a negative comma positive. Negative comma positive is second quadrant. It is in the second quadrant. The point lying on the second quadrant. Plus comma minus. So 3 comma minus 1. So plus comma minus, it will be plus 2 minus is a fourth quadrant. Okay. Here is a positive, x dash is a negative, y dash. Now we know. So plus comma minus, fourth quadrant. Minus comma minus 1 comma 0. Okay. When the 0 comes, if the y coordinate is 0, the point lie on x axis. Y coordinate becomes 0. Point lie on x axis. That means x comma 0, the point lie on x axis. X value is something, y becomes 0. Suppose it come here 0 comma y. If the x is 0, the point lie on y axis. We line it. Alright. So minus 1 comma 0, as the y coordinate becomes 0, the point lie on x axis. The point lie will not lie on any quadrant, it will be x axis. 1 comma 2. See, the both are positive, plus comma plus is the first quadrant. It will be lying on the first quadrant. Minus 3 comma minus 5, both are negative. Minus 3 comma minus 5. So both are negative. So negative comma negative, it will be lying on third quadrant. Okay. Now we'll verify in the question says that verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. We can see the first point, minus 2 comma 4. X is minus 2. X coordinate minus 2, y coordinate is 4. Minus 2 to 4. This is a point. This point is minus 2 comma 4. X is minus 2. Y is 4. This is a point. It is lying on second quadrant. Correct? Yes, second quadrant. 3 comma minus 1. X is positive. Y is minus. X is 3. X is 3. Y is minus 1. Yes. 3 to minus 1. This place the point is lying. 3 comma minus 1. It is which quadrant? It is the fourth quadrant. That's clear? Fourth quadrant. Next, minus 1 comma 0. X is minus 1. X is minus 1. Y is nothing. X is minus 1. X line minus 1. This is a point. Minus 1 comma 0. Y coordinate 0. The point lie on x axis. So point is lying on x axis. 1 comma 2. X is 1. Y is 2. This is a point. X become 1. Y become 2. So 1 comma 2. It is the first quadrant. Okay. Minus 3 comma minus 5. X is minus 3. Y is minus 5. Minus 3 to minus 5. This is a point. Minus 3 comma minus 5. It is in the third quadrant. I hope you understand. Okay. Plus comma plus first quadrant. Minus comma plus second quadrant. Both are negative. It come to third quadrant. Plus comma minus is a fourth quadrant. Okay. I hope you can understand these points. So let's go to question number 2. Okay, we come to question number 3. Draw a quadrilateral ABCD whose vertices are A 3, 2, B 2, 3, C minus 4, 5, D 5, minus 4. So we can draw a Cartesian plane or Cartesian system. We draw this one XO, S dash, YO, Y dash are two material perpendicular line. Now you can draw that one. So we can locate the point A 3, 2. X coordinate is become 3, Y coordinate is 2, X is 3. X coordinate is 3, Y coordinate is 2. So 3 to 2, you are drawing perpendicular line to meet this one. Where the two are meeting this point, it is A, 3, 2. Here see, at A from X coordinate become 3, Y coordinate is become 2, 3, 2. You understand how to make it, look at the point? Next, 2, minus 3. X is 2, so X is 2, Y is 3. X become 2, Y become 3. 2, 3, X, Y. X is 2, right? And Y will be 3. This is a point. This point is B, 2, 3. You hope understand how to make the, look at the point. So number C, minus 4, 5. X is minus 4, Y is 5. X value, this x-axis, the x-axis, where is minus 4? Yes, minus 4 is there. Y how much at? Y is 5 is there. So minus 4 to 5. Okay, where the 2 points are intersecting. So this become C minus 4, 5. So next D 5, minus 4. X is 5. X is 5. Y is minus 4. Y line minus 4. 5 and minus 4. From the 5, we are drawing a perpendicular line to meet minus 4. Where the two are meeting, this point is D 5, minus 4. Now you can join the draw a quadrilateral ABCD, or join this quadrilateral ABCD. Join this one, A and B join that, and B and C can join it. B and C. You can join this one, right? And C and D can join that. Okay? And A and D join that. So you'll be getting the quadrilateral ABCD. I hope you understand how to try a quadrilateral ABCD. Yes, let's go to question number 4. Let's come to question number 4. Try a quadrilateral PQRS whose vertices are given P and 3, 3, Q, 3, 3, R, 3, minus 3, S, minus 3, minus 3. What is the special name of the quadrilateral PQRS? Okay, let's locate the points on the Cartesian plane. So we have draw the line. Okay, the solution place, right. So first point, P minus 3, 3. X value is minus 3, Y value is also 3. X line minus 3. Y is become 3. Is here, Y is 3. So minus 3 to 3. The point, we can look at the point. Minus 3 to the point is become 3. This point. I'm not putting the here. Okay. This point is P minus 3, 3. Okay, alright. Next, Q, 3, 3. Sorry. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what came here? Q, 3, 3. Q is become 3, 2, 3. This point is Q, 3, 3. Right, next one. R, 3, minus 3. R is 3 to minus 3. X is 3. Y is minus 3. This is a point. It is R. 3, minus 3. X is become 3. Y become minus 3. So, next become S minus 3 to 3. X is minus 3. Y is minus 3. Will come this place. 3 to minus 3. Will become S minus 3, minus 3. So, we look at the point. Now the question becomes, what is the special name of the quadrilateral PQRS? Let us join the quadrilateral PQRS. P, Q can join that. Q to R you can join. R to S you have to join that. S to P to S you can join. Now what is the special name of this quadrilateral? This quadrilateral PQRS, you know very clearly. What is the quadrilateral? Yes, it is square. So the special name of the quadrilateral, the special name of the quadrilateral is it's a square. Or the quadrilateral PQRS is a square. I hope you understand. Okay. Now chat number 3 is completed. We'll be starting very soon the new chapter. Okay, bye.